In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Calendly and Gumloop. We'll walk through linking your Calendly account to Gumloop so you can use your scheduling data inside your workflows. This connection lets you automate tasks around new bookings, cancellations, and more without leaving Gumloop. Start by opening Gumloop in your browser and heading to your personal home. Once you're in, look to the left side panel. This sidebar is where you'll find your key navigation items. Click on Apps. This opens the page where all your connected services live. Now glance to the top right corner of the Apps page. Click Connect New App. A library of available integrations will appear. In the search bar or the integrations list, find Calendly. When you see Calendly, click Connect. Gumloop will now ask how you'd like to customize the scopes for Calendly. Scopes determine what Gumloop is allowed to do with your Calendly data. If you're not sure what you need, select Give Default Permissions. This option grants the standard access required for most automations and is the fastest way to get started. If your organization has stricter requirements or you only want specific access, choose Control Scopes. With that option, you can selectively enable permissions so Gumloop only reads or manages exactly what you allow. Whichever you pick, make sure it aligns with your team's security and compliance guidelines. After making your choice, click Continue. You'll be redirected to Calendly to sign in and approve the connection. If you already use Calendly with a Google account, log in with Google to keep things simple. If you prefer using Calendly credentials, use your existing login instead. Don't have a Calendly account yet? Click Don't Have an Account, sign up, then follow the prompts to create one. Once you've signed in, review the access request and allow the connection. A few quick tips as you finish up. Be sure you're connecting the correct Calendly account, especially if you manage multiple workspaces. If you run into a blank screen or nothing happens after clicking Continue, check your browser's pop-up settings and allow pop-ups for the site, then try again. If your team uses admin-controlled integrations, you may need workspace permission in both Gumloop and Calendly to complete the link. That's it. After approval, you'll return to Gumloop and the integration will be ready to use inside your workflows. You can now build automations that react to new Calendly events, collect attendee details, and keep your scheduling data in sync.